Taking a look at FARTCOIN, we can see that FARTCOIN is beginning to have a correction. However, it is holding up very well versus the rest of the market. So if we take our first fib from the low up to the high, we can see that we are actually sitting right on top of the 236 retracement at 97 cents. So this would be the first area of reversal for FARTCOIN. As long as we're over 97 cents, one would argue that it is actually still bullish. You can see the 236 is holding and the 382 is down here at 71.80, which would be the next macro support. Now if we pull our fib up to the second low here, you can see we're sitting on the 382, which is basically 90 cents, which is where we already hit. So I would make the case that this 90 to a dollar level pretty much has to hold if FARTCOIN is going to be bullish in the short term. However, a break below this 90-cent range would confirm that the top is in, and we're going to be selling off for a little while. The next move down would be about 17%, again to that 75-cent range, which is already here. Again, if we move this back down to the low, you can see it's about 72 cents to 75 cents. So pick and choose where you want to label it. You get the same prices. So one would argue that as long as we're over 90 cents, technically the direction would still be up. A break below 90 cents would confirm that this is actually the top, and a larger move down to about 70 cents would be in play. And in order to confirm that it is actually bullish, we got to see FARTCOIN get back over $1.11, in my opinion.